ካላችሁ ወደፊት ትንሽ ጠጋ በሉልንና ፕሮግራማችንን በይፋ እናስጀምራለን። እስካሁን ታግሳችሁ ስለጠበቃችሁን ከልብ እናመሰግናለን። በፕሮግራም መስተጓጎል ምክንያት ትንሽ አስጠብቀናችኋል። ከልብ ይቅርታ እንጠይቃለን። በቅድሚያ ሁላችሁም እንኳን ወደ አድዋ ድል መታሰቢያ በሰላም በጤና በፍቅር እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁ ለማለት እወዳለሁ። በዛሬው ዕለት የተገናኘነው በሀገራችን ታሪክ ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ምናልባትም የሀገራችንን ማንነት፣ ታሪክ፣ ባህል፣ ወግ ለዓለም አቀፉ ማህበረሰብ የምናስታውቅበት ኢትዮጵያውያኖች እንደዚህ ናቸው ወይ የምናስብልበት የመጀመሪያውን ዋይ አር ዩ ኖት ሂር የተሰኘውን ተከታታይ የቴሌቪዥን ሲሪስ የመጀመሪያ ክፍል ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ በአድዋ ድል መታሰቢያ ፓን አፍሪካን አዳራሽ ልናስጀምር ነው። እንደዚህ ነው የምትቀበሉት። ስሜ ሰብለ ይባላል። አጠገቤ ደግሞ ሉዋም ተስፋዬ ትገኛለች። ስለዚህ ሁለታችን በጋራ በመሆን መድረኩን እየመራን ከእናንተ ጋር አብረን ቆይታ የምናደርግ ይሆናል። የተወሰነ ነገር እንድትላችሁ እድል ልስጣት።
Thank you very much, beautiful Sabla. The heart finds its way to where it belongs. My name is Luam Tesfaye, and it is an absolute pleasure to welcome each and every one of you to the official premiere of the international series, Why Are You Not Here?, which is going to be released on Amazon Prime. But then we get the privilege to see it first in Ethiopia before the world does. So thank you very much and welcome everyone. We'd like to apologize for the delay that happened, and today is a very special day and it's very remarkable because we're not just going to show you a movie, we're not just going to watch a movie, but then we're going to witness something bigger than a movie. It is more than a connection. It shows the connection between African to the African Americans or the African diaspora. So I hope you all are going to enjoy and have a great time.
ይህንን ፊልም ከዚህ ለማድረስ ብዙ ያለፋ ብዙ የታተረ ጀግና ሰው ነው። እባካችሁ ተቀበሉልኝ።
Give it up for Kamal Johnson, who is
ይተዋወቀናል።
Yes, he is the writer, creator, and he is the one who has made this vision possible.
በቀጣይ ፊልም
So our next star of the show is an African American poet, Mr. Bertrand Boyd II. He is the star of the show. Give it up for Bertrand Boyd, everyone. The next star of the show is Hiwet Kasa, our Ethiopian artist and model. Please give it up for Hiwet Kasa.
ሞዴል እና አርቲስት ህይወት ካሳ እናመሰግናለን። በጭብጨባ ይሄ ያሳቸዋል እናመሰግናለን።
በዚህ መኖር ለኛ መልካም ነው በሚል የሚመረቅ ዘጋቢ ፊልም እዚህ ላይ ለመታደም ስለተገኛችሁ አሁን እንኳን ደስ አላችሁ እያልኩኝ ለዚህ ጥረት ያደረጉትን አካላት ለማመስገን እፈልጋለሁ። ይህ በአማዞን ፕራይም ተከታታይ ፕሮግራም ላይ የሚተላለፈው የጥበብ ስራ ለ13 ሳምንታት የሚተላለፍ ነው። አማዞን ፕራይም 192 ሚሊዮን ተከታይ ያለው ሲሆን ዛሬ ምሽት የሚቀርበው የዚህ ሲዝን 1 ሲሪየሱ በዋናነት በታዋቂው የዓለማችን ገጣሚ በርትራንድ ቦይድ ይተረካል። እንዲሁም ደግሞ በታዋቂው ከማል ጆንሰን ፕሮዲሰርነት ስለተዘጋጀ እንዲሁም በታዋቂ የሆሊውድ ውስጥ የምናያቸው አካላት እንደተሳተፉ እናያለን። ይህ ፊልም ኢትዮጵያ አሁንም የአፍሪካና የጥቁር ሕዝቦች ሁሉ መኖሪያና የባህል ማዕከል መሆኗን እንረዳለን። እንደሚታወቀው በዓመታት መካከል ታሪክን የሚሰራ ትውልድ ይኖራል። ታሪክ በትውልድ መካከል የሚያጸና ትውልድም ዛሬ አለ። አሁን ያለንበት የታላቅ የመሰብሰቢያ ማዕከል ፓን አፍሪካኒዝም ይባላል። ከ130 ዓመት በፊት አባቶቻችን ደማቸውን አፍስሰው አጥንታቸውን ከስክሰው የጠላትን ወሽመጥ ቆርጠው ያሸነፉት ነጭ የሚል ወራሪ ኃይል ብቻ አልነበረም። የነጭ የበላይነት አስተሳሰብንም ጭምር ድል እንዳደረጉ እናውቃለን። ድሉን ተከትሎ በመላው ዓለም ጥቁሮች የተለያዩ ንቅናቄዎችን አድርገዋል። ፓን አፍሪካኒዝም በአፍሪካ አህጉር እንዲሁም በዓለም ዲያስፖራ ዘንድ እኛ ጥቁሮች አንድ ላይ በመሆን ባህላዊና ኢኮኖሚያዊ ትስስራችንን በማጽናት አድዋን ድል አሁንም በዓለም ማስመስከር አለብን፣ የዛም ተምሳሌት መሆን አለብን የሚል መልእክት አለው። ከብዙ ንቅናቄዎች በኋላ በተለይ ከአድዋ ድል መታሰቢያ 3 ዓመት በኋላ ፓን አፍሪካኒስቶች እንደነ ዲቦይስ ኋላም እነ ማርከር ጋርቬ ሌሎችም ፊት አውራሪዎች የፓን አፍሪካኒዝም ጽንሰ ሀሳብ መሬት አስይዘውታል። ይህ እንቅስቃሴ አፍሪካውያን የጋራ ታሪክ፣ ባህልና ጠፈንታ እንዳላቸው በማመን በፖለቲካ፣ በኢኮኖሚ እንዲሁም በማህበራዊ ዘርፍ የቅርብ ትስስር እንዲኖር መሰረት ጥሏል። ኋላም እነ ጸጋዬ ገብረመድኅን ጥቁር የሚለው ቀለም ብቻ ሳይሆን ደማቅ የኩራት ምልክት መሆኑን ሲናገሩ እንዲህ ብለዋል። ስምንተኛው ቀስተ ደመና ወይንም the eighth rainbow ብለውታል። በኋላም የኔግሪቹድ እንቅስቃሴ እየተስፋፋ ሲሄድ ታይግሪቹድን እንደማይተው ወይ ደግሞ ነብርነቱን እንደማይተው ኔግሮች ኔግሪቹድን አይተውም ብለው ንቅናቄውን አቀጣጥለውታል። ለዚህ ሁሉ የአድዋ ድል መነሻ ነው። በመጨረሻም ዛሬ በታዋቂ አፍሪካውያን አሜሪካውያን ተዋናዮች ተዘጋጅቶ በአማዞን ፕራይም የሚቀርበው ትዕይንት የተለያዩ ነገሮችን ያሳያል። አንደኛው ሀገራችን በባህልና ኢኮኖሚያዊ ሉዓላዊነት እያሳየች ያለችውን ጉዞ ለዓለም ያመላክታል። ሌላ ኢትዮጵያ ዘመናት የተሻገረ የበለጸገ ባህል፣ ታሪክና ቅርስ ለዓለም ያስተዋውቃል። ሀገራችን ያላትን እውነተኛ የቱሪዝም መስህብንም በበጎ ገጽታው ለዓለም ያሳያል። በውጭ ላሉ ጥቁሮች ከተማችን እንዲጎበኙ ትልቅ ዕድልን ይከፍታል። ይህም ጥበብ ድንበር፣ ቋንቋ እና የዘመን ገደብ እንደሌለው የሰዎች ታሪክ እና ስሜትን በእውነትና በልቀት በቀጥታ የሚያስተላልፍ ፊልም ዛሬ ምሽት ይታያል። ለፊልሙ መልካም ቆይታ እንዲሆንላችሁ እመኛለሁ። አመሰግናለሁ። ከዚህ በመቀጠል በኢትዮጵያ አየር መንገድ የኢቲ ሆሊዴ ዘርፍ ምክትል ፕሬዚደንት አቶ ኃይለ መለከት ማሞ እዚህ ውስጥ ትልቅ ድርሻ የነበራቸው ናቸው። ወደዚህ ጋብዛለሁኝ። አጭር ንግግር ያደርጉልናል።
አክብሮት ያትንኩኝ ባይነት ያትንኩኝ ባይነት የትርጓሜ መዝገብ ምንጭ ነሽ አብነት ኢትዮጵያ እናት አገር ኢትዮጵያ ነሽ እውነት በነፃነት በአንድነት ፈክተሽ ጠላትሽ ይወድቃል ከእጅሽ በነፃነት በአንድነት ፈክተሽ ጠላትሽ ይወድቃል ከእጅሽ እናት አገር ኢትዮጵያ እናት አገር ኢትዮጵያ ኢትዮጵያ የኛ መመኪያ ኢትዮጵያ የኛ መመኪያ ኢትዮጵያ የኛ መመኪያ ኢትዮጵያ የኛ መመኪያ
A young person has a moment when they start wondering what their life is going to become. Maybe it happens in a classroom, maybe it's when they first think about their career they want, the business they want to start, or the kind of life they want to build for themselves. Now imagine millions of young people in Ethiopia having that same moment at the same exact time. That is the Ethiopia we are living in right now. More than 60% of our population is young. Behind that number are millions of people who are still becoming who they are. And I think there's something incredibly powerful about that. Because when a country has so many young people, it has so many possibilities. But possibility on its own is not enough. A young person can have a great idea and still have nowhere to take it. They can want to become a doctor and need a scholarship, for example, to continue their education. They can dream of becoming a lawyer and want to use that career to stand up for people in their community. They might want to be a musician who wants to share Ethiopian stories through their music. They might want to be an athlete who has spent years training but has no proper practice to establish their dream. And sometimes all that potential is sitting inside someone who simply hasn't been given a chance yet. That is where our responsibility comes in. We have already seen what happens when young people are given opportunities. Programs like the Ethiopian Voluntary Service Scheme and our National TVET System initiative have helped young people gain skills and become involved in their communities. Those programs show us something simple. When young people are given a chance, they always use it because we all have the potential lying inside us. But there are still so many young people whose chances hasn't come yet. What if a young entrepreneur could find funding without feeling like their dream is impossible? What if a student outside of Addis could access the same education opportunities as someone in the capital? These all might seem like little things, but they really aren't. Sometimes one opportunity can change the direction of someone's entire life. We need places where young people can learn, experiment, and meet people who can help them. We need better access to funding and mentorship. We need opportunities to reach young people across the country, not just in Addis Ababa. And we need to listen to them. I'm 17, and I know how strange it can feel to be told you are the future when you are still trying to figure out your own present. But our time is already here. We keep hearing, oh yeah, your generation will be the future. Our generation is already in the present. What about that? We are already living in it. Let's give funding to us right now. We are already living through the decisions being made today. We are already part of our community, and many of us are already trying to make them better. So when we talk about investing in Ethiopian youth, I don't think we should think of it as charity. We are investing in people who will shape the country we all live in. We don't know which young person in this country will become the next great doctor, lawyer, entrepreneur, teacher, etc., leader, because Ethiopia's future is still being written. And some of the people holding the pen are the people sitting in the room with us. Thank you for listening.
በአክብሮት እንጋብዛለን። እናመሰግናለን።
Enjoy your time, everyone.
Ethiopian. I arrived with curiosity. I left with responsibility. We miss Africa. Africa misses us. One day, me and my missus will see Africa. But good. Come on in. This ain't no Dubai. This is definitely not Vegas. This ain't no Cancun. We in Ethiopia. I love the way Fire fire dances in the midnight hour beneath the stars. When they see my wings, they tell me I can't fly. And when they see me in the sky, they close their eyes because being blind to my gift brings them joy. Broken headlights, tank is on E, cars making noises while I make it. They tell us to go back to Africa, but they always over there. And what's insane, I'm always the blackest person on the plane. White man next to me gonna ask me, what bringing you there? You didn't announce yourself, you didn't perform, you stood. Ancient, layered, unconcerned with my timelines, and asked me to slow down enough to see you. Here, history isn't behind us, it's beneath our feet. You didn't give me answers, you gave me perspective. I leave knowing my work must now carry more care, my voice, more intention. I can no longer create without honoring death. I came to document, to observe, to perform. I leave transformed, more rooted, more accountable, more honest.
Celebrity Power Bertram. You look good, bro. Like second place here. I'm just playing with you.
I hate those.
You cheated on me.
Live at the Toto Park.
እኔ ራሴ አንቺን ለመቅረጽ መስሎኝ እዚህ ተጠበቅኩት።
I wish I was that kind of person.
I didn't know in terms of her.
Yes, of course. Those things I agree with her. Like the parts like she's a big weak. That's how weak. What you she lost somebody that she
እና ማለት ነው ልክ ከማለ ነው እንትን ይወጣ የኔው and I was telling him Great.
But I'm okay, I'm great. I'm great. I ain't find no one, but I found food.
I know, right?
A lot of eating, that's what I did.
Oh, nice. You're not happy with yourself?
No, I'm great. I'm just floating. I was by myself, so I was just going wherever and meeting people and just going without.